Have you ever wondered if honesty is just a virtue, or is it a mirror that reflects our true selves? Let's dive into a tale that happened not so long ago. In a bustling city lived a man named John. John was an ordinary man with an extraordinary trait, his unwavering honesty. He worked as a janitor at a local school, and although his job was far from glamorous, John took pride in his work. He believed that every job was worth doing well, and his honesty was his guiding principle. One day, as he was cleaning the school theater, he found a diamond ring under one of the seats. It sparkled in the dim light, its value apparent even to the untrained eye. For a moment, John was tempted. He was a man of meager means, and this ring could change his life. But then he remembered his principle, his mirror, honesty. John decided to turn the ring over to the school administration, who found out that it belonged to a teacher who had lost it during a school event. The teacher, overwhelmed with gratitude, offered John a reward. But John refused, saying that he only did what was right. The news of his honesty reached the school board, who decided to promote him to a higher position. His life did change, but not because of the diamond ring. It was his honesty that paved the way. John's story illuminates the truth about honesty. It's not just a virtue, it is a mirror that reflects our true selves. When we are honest, we are true to ourselves, and this authenticity shines through in everything we do. Honesty, as we've seen, has the power to transform lives. It can turn a simple janitor into a respected member of a community. It can turn a lost diamond ring into a story of integrity and character. And most importantly, it can turn an ordinary man like John into an extraordinary example of virtue. In summary, honesty is a mirror reflecting our true selves. It's an invisible force that guides our actions and shapes our character. It's a trait that, when embraced, can bring about significant changes in our lives and the lives of those around us. Like John, we can use this mirror of honesty to reflect the best aspects of ourselves to the world. Remember, a mirror does not lie. It reflects what's in front of it, and so does honesty. It reflects who we truly are. And in the end, isn't that what matters the most?